Hello everyone. I hope you are having a nice Saturday. Yesterday I prepared some broccoli chips, so I'm leaving you the recipe just next to this intro. If you like it, please provide your feedback, hit the subscribe button, and also your likes. It does help a lot. Thank you. Have a nice rest of Saturday. Ciao. So we have some broccoli. We're gonna just cut into small pieces. Yeah, you see, just eatable pieces. And now we're gonna add some salt to boiling water where we're gonna cook our broccoli. We just need to be careful not to overcook the broccoli. Yeah, as we're gonna smash it, we just need a consistency that it doesn't become a puree. So our cooked broccoli, we're gonna just smash it with a mug in this case. Yeah, you see, and they are gonna be a little bit probably sticky, some of them or not, and you just help you with a knife if you need to. Yeah, just smash them and just place them in your oven form. You see, here we are. We got them all, and we're just gonna top them with some Parmesan cheese, Padano cheese, the cheese you like. Yeah, you can do any cheese probably. In this case, I'm doing some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna top it. You can also add, of course, a little bit of pepper. You can play here a little bit. I'm just doing it like this because my daughter doesn't like much stuff. So now just Parmesan, and then just gonna bake it. You can use the grill option of your oven. You can use the the air circulation, and just be careful not to burn it, and just look, just like that. We turn it off, and voila, they're just like that. They are just very nice size, just for sharing, just to kind of finger food as well. And I hope you like it. If you do, please leave your feedback. Thank you very much and enjoy it. Hope you do like it.